What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 21 Scat back. Today we're going to be installing the ZL1 Add Ons rear extension side splitters. Okay, so for any of you guys who follow the channel, I just installed the rear diffuser and we already have the side splitters. So to finish off the look right here, we're going to install the rear extension splitters. So I couldn't really find too many videos on it, especially for a wide body, but we're gonna remove this plastic push pin here, and there's one pre-drilled hole on the side splitter, which you can see right here. So you just poke right through that with the bolt, and then that'll give you a mounting point. Then you're pretty much gonna take these self tappers here and you're just gonna drill right through here into your rear diffuser and try to line it up as best as possible. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, and there we have it. We have the rear extensions put on. I'll show you, this is how I mounted it. So you just remove that one push pin, this bolt and nut goes on, and then I used 4 self tappers. And you just have to be careful when you're doing this because there isn't much meat to catch on here. So it makes it a little tough trying to line it up. So I actually used a small 1/16 bit to do a pilot hole to see where it was going to go through on the splitter and part of the rear diffuser. Once I liked it, then I tacked it down. So overall it came out pretty good. Definitely have a spotter with you to help you line it up and get another set of eyes. I have it where it's pretty much just kind of flush right here to match up with the rock guards and the side splitters. So now it ties in the rear diffuser and the splitters. So we're gonna get this down off the ramps, take some pictures, see how it looks. Hope you guys like it. What I do like about this is that all the texture now is the same. The rock guards, the rear extensions, the side splitters, the diffuser fins, everything is all the same texture from ZL1 Add Ons. So hopefully this answers any questions for people with the wide body Scats that wanted this piece. And be sure just to take your time, try to measure as much as you can before you drill any holes.